Hello, welcome to United Cards. I'm John. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at the Attax Extra Starter Pack and Multi-Pack. See what we get. So let's get these open, starting with the Starter Pack. Sounds like a good place to start. Let's take all the contents out. 3 packs in there. Haven't seen the limited edition yet though. I don't know if it's been someone's pinched this out of the checklist there. Don't know if someone's pinched it out of the binder. There is the binder. A play pitch. It's got Champions League on one side. And the Europa League on the other side. Ah, there's the limited edition, that's nice. Okay, so a little information booklet. Telling you about the fire cards as well that are almost impossible to get hold of. Rewards card there. Check out what that's for later on. And there is our De Bruyne limited edition that I thought we might not be getting. Okay, so I'm sure you've seen these packs being opened before on YouTube, so the starter packs that is anyway, so I won't go too much through everything. What we'll do is we'll put the packs to one side, just put them in view like we usually do. And we've got the starter pack with the limited edition. Get this open and then we'll open everything together. These are an absolute nightmare. There's some kind of super glue that they use. Managed to get the pack stuck in there. Okay, so take the limited edition pack off, we'll do that one last. Get all those packs off there. We'll put the limited edition one on the bottom. And let's see what we get. Pack number 1. Code card for anyone that wants to use it there. We've got Raheem Sterling, top speed talent. Squad update of Pedri, that's quite nice. Mancini from Roma, away kit. Douglas Costa, squad update. And we've got Francis Coquelin of, I can't even remember where he's at now, is it Villarreal? I think it is. We've got Dele Alli, mega value. And Olivier Giroud, man of the match. So not the most exciting first pack. Second one. The code there again. We've got Minamino, Liverpool, now I think on loan at Southampton. Emerson, squad update for Chelsea. Sergi Roberto, away kit for Barcelona. And we've got Bosco Sutalo, time to shine for Atalanta. Mikel Merino for Real Sociedad, away kit. Albanaghetti, Celtic, squad update. And mega value Emre Can. So again, not the most exciting of packs. Manchester United at the back. Is it midfield? Could it possibly be Bruno Fernandes? Code there. Squad update. Joe Hart. Nearly said Ian Hart there. Victor Lindelof away kit. Captain Edin Dzeko. Doesn't look like it is a 100 club. Corentin Tolisso, Bayern Munich, squad update. Felipe Anderson on loan at Porto, squad update. Zlatan Ibrahimovic, baller, That's a nice one for us to keep there. Put that to one side. Oh, and Donny van der Beek. Signature style. Very nice. Couple of cards for us to go in our collection. Pretty good. Make a little bit more room there in case we get some more. Hopefully we do. There's the code card again. And is that Reece Nelson? Yep, Reece Nelson, time to shine. Lucas Torreira, squad update for Atletico. Samardzic for Red Bull, or RB Leipzig. Nicolas Otamendi, Benfica. And Marcos Acuna. Might cut that bit out. Jordi Alba, mega value for Barcelona. Mario Pasalic for Atalanta, man of the match. What have we got? 3 normal packs and a limited edition pack to go. It's not bad really, is it? From one starter pack and 1 multi-pack. And we've got code there. We've got Dodo, top speed talent. Juan Foyt, squad update. Captain of Marquinhos, Paris Saint-Germain. We've got Ousmane Dembele for Barcelona, top speed talent. Koke, captain, Atletico. And Riyad Mahrez, Manchester City away kit. And mega value Mason Mount for Chelsea. Milan at the back, goalkeeper, so that's Donnarumma. I don't think he is he a 100 club in this collection, Donnarumma? Code there. We've got Balogun for Rangers. Dalot, that's a good one for us to keep as well. Put that to one side. AC Milan on loan from Manchester United. Lassina Traore. Eddie Nketiah. It's not a 100 club anyway. Luke Thomas, Leicester. Paul Pogba, baller. That's nice. And it is Donnarumma, but it's not a 100 club. I don't think he is a 100 club in this collection, is he? Last normal pack. Borussia Dortmund at the back. Code. And we've got Stefano Sensi, Diego Alaxal for Celtic, Bonucci, Juventus, is that the away? Yep, away kit. Mario Hui, Napoli, top speed talent. Torgan Hazard by Borussia Dortmund. And then we've got Xherdan Shaqiri, squad update for Liverpool. And the last card in the pack is Emre Can, mega value. Okay. So, last one of the opening. It's a limited edition pack. I think it might be the card at the front. So, yeah, it will be, I think. Just keep that there for now. The code there for anyone that wants it. And we have Vedat Miriki, Mario Hui again, Joshua Kimmich, João Felix, very nice, Taylor Harwood-Bellis, quite a lot of young players in this pack, and the last one, Nico Tagliafico, not quite so young, Argentinian fullback for Ajax. So, limited edition. I think it's Jadon Sancho in it. So we'll see which one it is. And it's a bronze, which you might expect. So we'll still be on the hunt for the silver and gold ones. Still not bad. We've got a normal Dalot there, a baller Pogba, signature style Van der Beek, and a baller Ibrahimovic. Can't remember if there's anything of João Felix, anything of particular note in these Did I miss anything that I want to keep to one side? Don't think I did. Mason Mount's not bad, but obviously it's not past the present man. Oh, yeah, Lindelof will need to go on there. Good job I went through them again. I mean, I would have gone through them off camera anyway, but Pedri's nice, Sterling's nice. Nope, so that's it. That's what you get with a starter pack and a multi-pack for the Topps Match Attax Extra Collection. I think it's quite decent value, and I'll probably carry on collecting this one. Got a nice little selection of past and present Manchester United players there, and the bronze limited edition Sancho. Anyway, if you like the video, don't forget to leave a like, press the thumbs up button. If you want to see some more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. And that'll be it from me for now. See you later.